Hi, in this video we are going to continue the creation of the one-page web application or website. This is the last video for example 001. Okay. This is a list of suggestions how we can use this video. The notes for this video can be found at this URL, which is loaded here. Make sure your IIS is running, IIS server is running, and make sure that your Visual Studio loaded the file. Okay. What we're going to do here is we are going to make our website look prettier like this one. Okay. The first thing we want to do is to create a style sheet and attach a style sheet to it. So let's go back to our Visual Studio. Make sure you are looking at default.aspx. Okay, go to the Solution Explorer, right click on eg001, right click, and do a add style sheet. They will ask you to give the name for the style sheet. I'm just going to call it style, and then click OK. So you realize that a file called style.css is created. If you go to your Windows Explorer and look at the place where you can find all the files for this project, that is ctem, ASP.NET, eg001, you can find that a style.css file is created and is loaded here. There's nothing in the file, okay, right now. So you should start writing stuff to format the page, and then you can attach it to the SPX file by creating a link. Okay, so on and so forth. Okay, let us create a link first. So under the title, you can easily create a link. Okay. That will work. So that will effectively load this style.css in default.aspx. Link them up together. All right. Now you can start coding and formatting and all that. But I'm just going to copy my code from my website, so you can see. If you have done other projects, you will have experience in writing CSS code. It's just the standard CSS code, so I'm just going to copy all this. Control C to copy, come over here, Control V to paste, save all, and come and see here. You realize that, oh sorry, you have to hit enter here. You realize that more or less things are the same, except that we probably need to change a couple of stuff, okay? Except that we want this to have this border and all that. Okay, so let's see what we need to do. There's a class called content, so we need a div tag for that. So let us go to here and create and then put this at the bottom of it. Okay. Save all. Okay, you're almost done except the years is too long. We can change the formatting or we can do some quick dirty fix. Let's do that. Okay, that helps. All right, so let's test a little bit. Okay, so it works. All right, you can work on more on the formatting and all that, and hopefully things works. That should work well. Okay. All right. So one more thing I want to discuss is, so I've done all this. Okay. So as you can see, these are the 5 files you need to upload to the server for the thing to work. You only need these 5 files. Default.aspx contains the HTML, many HTML file, HTML code. SPX.cs contains the C# code. Of course, this is your style sheet. Probably I need more work for the style sheet because I just copied my old style sheet. Probably not a good idea, but for this example, it's sufficient. And then some configuration files that you need. Okay, and you want to make this work, just find a server that supports .NET C# and upload these 5 files. Things should work. Okay, that's a good place to stop. So I finished everything. So you can close this. And you can stop your server. And close all this. Okay, we finished example 001. That's a good place to stop. Thanks for watching.